In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about what's new in the latest Google Chrome update, version 137. Whether you're a casual user, a tech enthusiast, or someone who works in web development, there's something in this update for you. So let's dive right in and explore the fresh features and improvements that Chrome 137 has to offer. First up on our list is a neat addition for web developers. Chrome now supports a new CSS feature called F. This feature is designed to help developers write cleaner and smarter code. What does this mean for the average user? Well, websites that utilize this feature can load faster and adapt more gracefully across different devices. Essentially, it's a step towards a smoother and more efficient online experience for everyone. Moving on, let's talk about accessibility. Chrome is continually improving in this regard, and version 137 brings in new features like reading flow and reading order. These enhancements are particularly beneficial for users who rely on screen readers or keyboard navigation. They help these users move around websites more smoothly, making browsing a more seamless experience for everyone, including those with visual impairments. For developers looking to optimize web app performance, Chrome 137 introduces JavaScript Promise integration for WebAssembly. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? In simple terms, this update allows web apps to run faster and handle background tasks more efficiently. That's great news, especially if you regularly use web apps that require a lot of processing power or involve multiple background activities. Security remains a top priority for Chrome, and this update brings vital security improvements. These important fixes are designed to keep your browsing experience safe from the latest online threats, ensuring that your data remains protected as you surf the web. You might notice that a few of your extensions aren't working quite right after the update. This can be a common issue with new updates, but rest assured, Google is already aware and working on improvements to smooth out those wrinkles. In the meantime, you might choose to check for updates on your extensions or explore alternative tools. Overall, Chrome 137 is a significant update that places strong emphasis on smoother performance, better accessibility, and enhanced security. So, if you haven't updated your browser yet, now is definitely the time to do so. You'll want to make sure you're taking advantage of these improvements for a better browsing experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Stay tuned for more content that keeps you in the loop on the latest in technology and innovation.